Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be comparing two popular air fryers to help you decide which one is the best fit for your kitchen. But before we jump into the comparison, don't forget to like this video. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with the latest product reviews and comparisons. Now, let's get started. When it comes to price, the air fryer from Zuka comes in at $122, while the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La is priced at $99. Both products provide excellent value for their price range, offering a range of features and functionalities. However, if budget is a concern, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La provides a slightly more affordable option without compromising on performance. When it comes to cooking performance, both the Zuka Air Fryer and the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La deliver outstanding results. The Zuka Air Fryer utilizes innovative materials and advanced technology to ensure evenly cooked, crispy textures with up to 85% less fat. Similarly, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La offers rapid heat circulation, allowing you to enjoy the same crispy textures as traditional deep frying with healthier results. Whether you're cooking fries, chicken, or even desserts, both air fryers deliver deliciously satisfying meals in minutes. When it comes to features, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La takes the lead. It offers 9 easy functions on a convenient tempered glass display, allowing for preheating and personalized shake reminders. With its industry-leading temperatures of up to 450 degrees F, this air fryer guarantees 20% faster heating efficiency compared to the Zuka Air Fryer. Additionally, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La is compact in size, taking up minimal counter space, but still offers a suitable capacity of 5 quarts for 1 to 4 people. It is also dishwasher safe, making cleanup a breeze. Furthermore, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La comes with an included cookbook of 30 original recipes by COSORI R&D chefs and provides access to 100+ recipes through the free VSync app. Overall, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La is designed to enhance your cooking experience and inspire your culinary adventures. Let's take a look at the specifications of both air fryers. The Zuka Air Fryer is ETL listed with a power supply of AC 120V, 60 Hz, and a rated power of 1500 W. Its temperature range is 170 to 450 degrees F, making it suitable for various cooking needs. On the other hand, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La shares the same power supply and rated power specifications. It offers a temperature range of 170 to 450 degrees F as well, ensuring versatility in your cooking journey. Both air fryers meet the voltage requirements for the US and Canada, providing safe and efficient operation. And there you have it. We've compared the Zuka Air Fryer and the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La, highlighting their price, cooking performance, features, and specifications. Both air fryers have their unique strengths, but considering the affordable price, enhanced features, and impressive cooking results, the COSORI Air Fryer Pro La emerges as our top pick. Remember to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful product comparisons and reviews. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!